Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with KLKN Channel 8, looking at a couple of different models way far out for Thanksgiving. We're talking Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. So it's still quite a ways away. We're about a week away, so these models can obviously change as we get closer and closer. But that's kind of the point. We're looking every single day to see if there are any changes. If one day it says a lot of snow, and then the very next day it says no snow at all, and that's already happened. So let's take a look at what these two models are saying for us. This is your GFS model, and let's see. Well, this is Wednesday around 5:30 p.m. So if you have any travel plans to northwestern part of the state, you might see a couple of snow showers and maybe some accumulating snows. This thing has, the last couple of days, this GFS model has been saying snow is the best chance for northern Nebraska, and that kind of continues. This is Thursday morning. This is Thanksgiving morning, and sure, we could see a couple of inches here, and this would maybe be a trace to, well, that didn't work. There you go, trace to 1 inch there, and maybe an inch or two right there. So this is northeastern Nebraska, north central Nebraska, trying to creep its way down to I-80. But right now, most of the models lately, this one in particular, has been saying north of Interstate 80 and more towards South Dakota and northwestern Iowa. But keeping an eye on it, and that's why we're doing this, is to see what the trend is. And right now the trend has been northern Nebraska with this model. And as it heads into Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, it pushes everything to the east. So, I mean, it's close. But again, this is just that one model, and we'll keep an eye on it. And as we get past Thursday and go into Friday, cloud cover just moves off to the east, and then we're left with a very quiet and mild weekend. Look at there's Sunday, and just a few clouds here and there. Temperatures should be in the 50s as we get towards the second half of the weekend, so that's a little bit of good news there. So that's the GFS. Let's look at the EC MWF. This is the European model, and this one not quite as robust. It says this precipitation right here, some light mixed rain, or some light rain Wednesday night into very early Thursday. Then that's it. This model just doesn't have anything as we head through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday. It has Nebraska being dry all the way through the weekend. So once again, the models are not consistent with each other. One model says snow in northern Nebraska and maybe northeast Nebraska. The other one says not so much. So when these two models don't agree, it's hard to take one over the other. If they're both saying it, then it's a little bit easier to say, okay, it's a pretty good chance we're going to see snow. But right now, 50-50, and that's why we're doing this. That's why we're going to keep looking at these models and what they're saying over the next few days. So pretty soon, things will narrow down, and we'll have a better idea the closer we get. So no firm idea on exactly what's going to be happening over the Thanksgiving weekend. We'll look again tomorrow, see what happens. Until then, see ya.